Alright everybody, so this is a quick video show how to install the camera units that come available for people to have the Yulu E10 Radio. This is on my 2018 F150 Lariat. So I got these. So this is a HD driving recorder. This is a add-on available for this unit. So the one I got, it's a 2-camera system. So it's got the dash. So this is a dash camera. This one also has SD card inside of it. It's a dual camera system, and then it comes with the rear one. So usually this one is weatherproof, so you can install it outside, or you can install it on the inside. For my application, I'm going to install it in the back on the inside. I'm just going to use it as like a baby monitor when I have my son in the back in the car seat, so that way I can see what he's doing. All right, so my specific application where this is recommended, obviously on the dash, as high as you can get it. You can see it comes with the 3M strip, so I'm gonna have it right about here, aligned right next to the stock reverse mirror mount. It's gonna be sitting right on the back there. That way it's got a high view. It's gonna have good visibility of the front of the truck. All right, so F150, we're gonna do right here. So this I have to obviously take off. This is just my dash lights. So right here, this cover, this just pops off. You can use a screwdriver just to get in there, or just a little tool, just kind of pop that out. So that just pops out like that. So I'm gonna have it down here. So obviously I'm just gonna want this wire to go through here. What you want to do, just kind of tuck it in there. Whenever you connect these, just a little piece of electrical tape. Just kind of hold it in place so it just doesn't come undone as you're tucking it in up there, or later on, you know, with vibration. Stuff like that. So this yellow one, this is the USB wire, and then the second one here, that's going to be the wire we're running to the back for the reverse camera, or whatever you're using it as. In my case, this is going to be just an interior baby monitor. So the main camera itself, it has a DVR in it, so it records both cameras, front view and rear view. So here you have 2 wires. So this one, so the AV plug is not going to be needed. This is if you have a camera that has the AV plug. That one's directly connected. So you can either store this away somewhere in here, hide it. I'm just going to run it back there anyways, just in case later on if I decide I want to plug in another camera. You can plug it in this way. This feeds power to it just in case if it's needed. Alright, so once you ran the wire from the front, fed it through the back, I recommend just zip tie it a few spots along the way. That way it's secure in there, so in the future if anything's ever removed, the wire doesn't get damaged and it doesn't get caught up in anything. So I just line it up and zip tie. AV wire, I ran it back here as far as it can go. So it's going to be sitting right there. In the future, if I decide to plug in another camera, I could plug it in. So what you want to do, just tape it off, just to make sure there's no shorting or anything like that. Alright, so my rear camera, like I said, just going to be sitting right here, basically looking down. It has a 140 degree angle of view, so I'll be able to view pretty much this middle section, side sections. Like I said, using that as a baby monitor. It's where my son's going to be in his car seat, so I'll be able to see what he's doing on the screen. Alright, so the remainder of this cable, this is not going to be needed. Like I said, this is just for additional power in case if it's needed back here. So what I'm going to do, just fold up the rest of this cable and tuck it in up here. And that'll be it for running the rear camera. Alright, so now in here, just make sure to plug in your USB cable. Alright, now final step, this is just the installation programming on the E10 radio itself. So first you need to make sure we got the USBs plugged in. Up top here you need to make sure that the USB symbol is showing. If this symbol is not showing and you have it plugged in, go ahead, pull the menu down, hit reset, and then hit OK. That's just going to restart the radio. Once it restarts, the USB symbol should show up there. Alright, so next, load it up. We're going to go into apps, APK installer. So right up here you're going to see USB. Click on USB. fvcar vr.apk. We're going to click on that. So now here it's going to ask you to install. I already have it installed, so you're just going to hit install. It's going to take about 30 seconds. It's going to install. Once it installs, it's going to ask you to update. Click update. It's going to update and it'll be ready to go. Alright, so we're done with that. We exit out of here. So now this is the main screen. So now once everything's installed, ready to go, if you click on your home screen right here, and there we go. There is our dash cam. Touch the screen, and there is the rear camera. So as you know, both cameras are recording. They record to the SD card that's on the dash camera itself. You can also access the files right on here. So hit this folder here, and then this pulls up all your files. So there's front camera, hit this one. This is all your rear camera recordings. You can set it to record in certain intervals. So right here we'll hit settings, device settings, and then right here is where you can adjust all that. Click here, we can reformat the card. That'll erase all the video on there. And here, video intervals, how long you want your clips to be recorded, and then it re-records the next clip. So it comes with a 32 gigabyte card on there. Once it records and the card is full, what it does is just overwrites. So it overwrites your oldest video on there. So if you need a video that recorded a car accident or something, I recommend you save it that same day, so that way it doesn't get overridden. Or another thing you can do is you go back into the file folder. You have the lock button. You can lock out any certain video that you want to lock out, rear or front. that's that. If you have any questions, let me know. Give me a like, subscribe, check out my other E10 radio videos. I'll be posting more if there's any other updates or any other cool gadgets I install related to this radio.